Gach agus constatá tú aniu. How are you today? No méid ó hen, a minute ago, bhí tusnú a ríis. I had to start again. Ach níorbh ach an tibhir amháin déanta agam an ibhir dó an seo. If somebody asks you, conas atá tú? How are you? And if you're well, you can say, tá mé go maith, or tá mé go maith. Do, trí, car, cúig, sé. Marta ibhir sé an seo. Tá mé go maith. Agus conas atá tú hain? And how are you yourself? Well, tásúil agam go bhfuil tú go maith inniu. I hope that you're well today. In parts of Ireland, they say, cainte mar atá tú. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And elsewhere they say, cén chuí ina bhfuil tú. In what way are you? Conas atá tú, cainte mar atá tú, or cén chuí ina bhfuil tú. Tá mé go maith. Buíochas le dia. I'm well, thanks be to God. Some people might say. So we've had we've used the word cain a couple of times now, which is the inquisitive word for which. So in other words, may cain issue. What? Oh, or cain taume it was that I said before. What time is it? It's actually in Irish. It's which time is it? Cain taume. Cén chuí ina bhfuil tú. Which way are you? Go maith nó go dona? Go dona is the opposite of go maith. Not so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The word conas then is how. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's more like the English construction of how are you? Conas atá tú. If you were trying to say, how will we finish this puzzle? Because it's difficult, you'd say, conas a críoch nó míid an puzzle se mar tá sé jacker. Conas a críoch nó míid é sin. If you're asking somebody what age they were, you'd say cén ishu. Which age are you? Or what age are you? Cén ishu. Now, fan hí mé nóméid, mar nílam cainte faoi sin. Tá mé géirí ibhir hain an líne seo. Yeah, agus tá ibhir hain sa bhosca sin, agus tá ibhir hain sa líne sin, agus tá ibhir hain sa chailún sin. So seo tá sé sin ceart. Okay, lean hí mé raig. I will continue. Lani Meharaig. Eraig. Lanaraig. On you go. 1, 2, 3. So Neil Cahar on Shu. Neil Cahar on Shu. Tam Cahar on Shin. Yeah, if someone asks you, Cain issue, they're asking you what age are you? And you can just use a number. You can say, Tá mé fiche Bhliain dísh. I'm 20 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you wanted to say what year you were born, say you were born in the year 2000, that's a relatively straightforward one. You'd say Rugu me, I was born, sa Bhliain ga Mhíle, in the year 2000. Rugu me sa Bhliain ga Mhíle. If you were born in 2005, you'd say Rugu me sa Bhliain ga Mhíle is a cúig. Tá mé éirí ibre thuchtlaithe lína seo agus táin sé an seo mar tá sé sa chailún sin hana agus fágann sé ibre trí ceapan. Tá mé éirí ibre trí. Ga Mhíle is a cúig, 2005. The word for 100 in Irish is céad. The word for a century is cainte, I think. Níl an cainte I gcónaí faoin na focal Gaeilge. Cainte. Daoine may check for cainte. I'm not sure if it's decades or centuries. But yeah, if you want to say I was born in 1991, you'd say Rugu me sa Bhliain, or yeah, sa Bhliain Mhíle né chéad nócha is a hain. Mhíle, so 1000, né chéad 900, nócha 90 is a hain. 1991. Mhíle né chéad nócha is a hain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tá mé éirí ibre cúig. Agus fágann sé ibre a dó thuas an seo, agus fágann sé ibre a thucht ceapan. The equivalent question for when were you born would be Cahan. Cahan a rugu tú. When were you born? Cahan a cheannig tú an pean Louis Jas sin. When did you buy cheannig tú? When did you buy that nice pencil? Cheannig me an deire seachtaine, seachatte. I bought it last weekend, on the weekend last week. So míad fós a giver ag iarrí iver hain, agus iver a trí le hain busca sin. Tá míad ag iver ag iarrí iver a cahar le hain an cailún sin, agus tá iver a cahar an lína sin. Yeah, tá iver a dó, trí cahar, cúig, yeah, fágann sé sin iver a seacht nach isn't that it? Yeah. So The word for what is cod or caird. It's more commonly cod. So cod is anam ditch. What is your name? Cod is anam ditch. What's your name? And you say, if it's Michael, you'd say Michael is anam dum, or Mhíle is anam dum. Is anam dum. You say your name first, and then it's the name that is on me, literally. Bhliain, Bhliain, an seo agus an seo. Bhliain, a tree. Do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have cod, what, caird, what, cain, which, cahan, when, caw is the word for where. Caw rocky to in you. Where will you go today? Caw rocky to. If you want to ask someone where they're from, you say carve os who. It's a past tense construction in Irish. So carve is the kind of combined word for where in the past tense. Carve os who. Where are you from, or where were you from? And you're a tree behind Lena Shaw. Over a tree. So over a tree. Over a tree. Area san Lena Shaw, August san Lena Shaw. Catá el area san Lena Shaw over a shay. Tá over a cuig area san Lena Shaw. Cain fá is the word for why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cílíonn sé sin go daon. Iver sé híos an seo. Cain fá, why? Or it's a cain construction, so which reason, literally. Cain fá, mar tá iver sé hús an seo ribre. 1, 2, 3, agus iver a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll give you one more question where it is how much, which is céibhéid. Céibhéid, how much or how many. Céibhéid, spás atá fágtha. How many spaces are left sa puzzle sin? Níl spás ar bith fágtha sa puzzle sin. There are no spaces left in this puzzle. Agus mar sin tá sé déanta. Agus tá míad críochnatha. Slán go fóill.